Well, here is an absolutely beautiful 85 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. I know this car from the beginning. I sold this car to a dear friend of mine a while back. It underwent a complete restoration. We have pictures, we have receipts. Over $65,000 spent restoring this car. Stripped down to metal, everything brand new, all new leather interior, rebuilt engine. I am telling you, everything was done brand new on this car. I know the car since probably for the last 7-8 years, restored probably 4 years ago. It is absolutely beautiful. You're not gonna find a nicer Biarritz. It also has a moonroof. Very rare to find in these stainless steel tops. Look at the leather, it's like brand new. It is brand new. All new, the car runs quiet, no smoke, no sound. It is amazing. Finished trunk. Check it out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Look at the pictures. You won't find a nicer car anywhere.